What if I told you the money that you have invested into your landing page are going to waste, and the reason is your landing page? So in this video, I am going to cover the importance of a well optimized landing page and how you can improve your landing page conversion. Now think about your landing page as a shopping mall salesman. You entered into a shop and you found a salesman who's trying to help you to find the right product for you. How does he actually communicate with you? First of all, he try to understand what is your need, what is the problem that you are facing, and then the solution. And once he understand about everything on you, then he try to find the perfect product, and then he try to pitch you the perfect solution, perfect product for you. And the interesting fact, you will feel that good experience if and only if he has a good sense, good experience, and good knowledge about the solution that you are looking for. Now that's exactly what you have to do with your landing page. You have to create that salesman look on your landing page. So whenever a visitor land on your landing page, they can easily resonate, they can easily communicate with your landing page, and they can find the right solution that they are looking for. And one more thing, the impression also matters. So you have to create that well impression also. Now once you understand the basic story of a landing page, now let's understand what are the main elements that you should have into your landing page. Number one, catchy headline or a hook to grab your visitors' attention. Obviously, it's not about just a simple headline. It should be catchy and it should be the hook of your landing page. That's where most of the visitors just quit your landing page. So you have to grab their attention within the first fold of this page. So basically, you must have a catchy headline or a headline that can engage them, and thereby engage them to just scroll the page and read all the sales letter and then grab their attention to click on the call to action. That's the point where most of the visitors just quit your landing page. So you must have a catchy headline so they can actually engage with your headline, and then they can eager to scroll down and then understand your sales letter, what offers are you offering, and then they are agree to click on the call to action button. So make sure you have that catchy headline so they can engage with your page. The next element that is very much important, that is the image or video that can support your headline or the overall landing page offers. Don't just put any kind of image or any clip art or anything. The image, if you are pasting any image or if you are posting any video, make sure this image or video can resonate what you are offering in terms of the colors, in terms of the image actual meaning. So everything should be resonate with your landing page. So you have to maintain this one also. The number 3 is the important key benefits. Don't just paste any features or anything on your landing page. Make sure you are pasting the benefits. What are the benefits your visitors can get either signing your product or purchase your product through your landing page? So make sure you are pasting the benefits, at least 3 benefits. What are the benefits, the major benefits they can get? So actually that can grab their attention by reading those benefits also. The number 4 is trust badge. That is very much important. That can help you to boost and increase your conversion in a very much higher rate, because it might be someone who land on your landing page, they might not even know you, they might have just land on your landing page for the first time. So how they can trust you? They can trust you by checking others point of view, others review. So it's better that if you can just paste any screenshot of your previous customers review, or if you can it's much more better if you can post any video testimonial that will increase the trust badge of the people who is actually landed on your page, so they can have the trust. Yes, this can also help me as well. And the number 5, and that is the most important part, that is the call to action. Make sure you have just only one call to action. Your one landing page should focus only on one call to action. Don't just paste multiple call to action, sign up here, sign up this, sign up this. No, just if you are focusing on any particular service sign up, or if you are focusing on any particular product purchase, then your call to action should be focused on only one. So you might have multiple buttons of a call to action from top to bottom, but all the buttons should focus on any particular call to action, and the call to action should be very clear, like sign up for this 14-day trial, or just sign up to grab your this or something like this. So they can have that energy, yes, I have to click this and I have to grab this because this is for me. So you have to create that call to action in a way so they can actually eager to click on the call to action. Now if you have a basic knowledge about your landing page, then I guess you have already implemented those points that I have already discussed. Now here are the main major 3 points that most of the conversion decrease, and you can actually increase those conversion by improving those main 3 key points. So the number one is your page speed, and I think you already know that page speed matters. Nobody does have that much time to load a landing page for very long time, so you have to load your landing page within at least 2 to 3 seconds. That means you have to optimize your landing page speed. The second key point, that is mobile responsive, and by far you already know that most of the people are browsing each and everything from their mobile. So that means it's a very high chance that the visitors that are coming onto your landing page, they are mostly the mobile visitors. So that means your landing page should be mobile responsive, and if your landing page is not mobile optimized, then there's quite a high chance that you will have a less conversion. So make sure you are focusing on your mobile responsive part as well. The third key point, that is above the fold, and this is a kind of strategy that can improve your conversion rate as well. Above the fold, that means the section that is visible into your screen without scrolling down. So you can use this strategy. You can put your call to action button above the fold, so that way you can increase your conversion rate as well. So moral of the story, you need a good landing page to increase your conversion, and don't just get scared with all of this technical information. If you are non-technical, there are a lot of landing page builders where you can create your own landing page, your own high converting landing page without having any technical knowledge. You just have to drag and drop and you can easily create a landing page. Also, if you have that basic technical knowledge, you can use WordPress as well, a free builder, to create your landing page. Or if you don't want to invest your own time, but you can have that budget to invest, then you can hire any freelancer or agency. Even also you can check out our agency RM Digital, and from where we actually help our clients to create a landing page. So you can check out our agency as well. So that's it for this video. If this piece of information helps you as well, then give me a thumbs up and like this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on next video.